Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if the microphone is not working on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So, the first thing you need to do is ensure that Windows is using the correct microphone as the default option. For this, right-click on the speaker icon on the taskbar. Now, select Sound Settings. In this menu, scroll down to the Input section. Here, you will see all the microphones connected to your system. Select the one you want to use. Then, use the volume slider to increase the microphone volume to your liking. If your microphone does not appear on the list, go down to the Advanced section and click on All Sound Devices. Now, select your microphone from the list. Then, click on Allow. Once you do this, your microphone should appear in the sound settings and you can set it as the default option. If the microphone does not work even after this, go to the Privacy and Security tab in the left pane of the Settings app. Now, scroll down to the App Permissions and then click on Microphone. Here, make sure the Microphone Access and Let Apps Access microphone toggles are turned on. Then, scroll down to enable microphone access for desktop apps too. Additionally, you should also ensure that your microphone access is enabled for the app or game you are using. Once you do this, microphone should start working again on your Windows 11 PC. Let me know in the comments if this helped and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.